Hello, students. It is Mrs. Garcia, and we are here working on our most favorite online resource, Imagine Math. All right, so since last week and this week, we're focusing on operations with rational numbers, aka multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting, all types of numbers to include decimals, fractions, percents, whole numbers, and integers, etc. Okay, so for this one, we're going to go over some of the pre-quiz questions in order for you to do well on your assignment. So the first question here, you play a board game with your little brother. You pick a card that sends you back 5 spaces. Okay, guys, if there is the sending back of 5 spaces, what does that mean? That means we are dealing with a -5, okay? So if I look at all my answer choices, -5, -5, -5, +5, I'm pretty sure, not 100%, but pretty sure I can get rid of this one, okay? On your next turn, you must move back 3 more spaces. Guys, think about it. If you're playing a board game and you're moving back, we are going to be moving back 3 spaces. Is that going to be a positive or a negative? It's going to be a negative. So if I look at my answer choices, I see a -3, -3, and this is a +3. So we're going to get rid of this one. Now we're down to these choices. On your third turn, you get to move forward 3 spaces. If we're moving forward, then we are going to be going towards the positives, or we're going to move in the positive direction. So if I look at the last 2 that I'm left with, the only one that tells me a positive is this one here. And we're looking for the expression that best shows our new spot on the board game. Well, that means we're going to be adding, even if it is negatives and positives. Let's check our answer. And we got it. Okay, one winter morning in Canada, the temperature at 8 was 1.5 degrees Celsius. From 8 to 11, the temperature increased by 0.07. Temperature increased, which means a plus. It is a positive. From 11 to 2, it dropped. That means a negative, or to subtract. And from 2 to 5, it decreased by 0.09 degrees Celsius. Decreased. What expression shows the temperature in Celsius at 5 p.m.? So where did we start? 1.5. Then from 1.5, it increased, so plus 0.7. So 1.5 plus 7, we're good. 1.5 plus 7, we're good. 1.5 plus 7, we're good. Where's 1.5? Wrong, okay? Then from there, after we add the 0.7, we are going to subtract 2.6. So I look here. So this would actually make a positive. If you subtract a negative, remember, a negative times a negative makes a positive. So this is incorrect. Same thing here. Negative and a negative makes a positive. And we don't want that. But we want to add that decrease, and then we want to add that last decrease.